The Orion Nebula, Mankind's Window into Stellar Birth. Title: The Orion Nebula, Mankind's Window into Stellar Birth. Introduction. Located in the constellation of Orion, approximately 1,344 light-years away from Earth, the Orion Nebula has captivated stargazers and scientists alike for centuries. This celestial marvel, also known as Messier 42 or NGC 1976, stands as mankind's window into the captivating process of stellar birth. Discovery and observation. However, it was not until the early 20th century that its true significance as a stellar nursery was realized. Structure and composition. The Orion Nebula spans an impressive area of approximately 24 light-years across. It is part of a much larger molecular cloud complex, which extends over a few hundred light-years and contains vast quantities of gas and dust. This enormous cloud, mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, serves as the birthplace for numerous stars. The nebula itself is composed of ionized gas, primarily hydrogen, emitting a colorful display due to energy interactions. Stellar birth and the trapezium cluster. At the heart of the Orion Nebula lies the trapezium cluster, a tight grouping of several hundred young stars, some of which are only a few 100,000 years old. This cluster represents the next generation of stars emerging from the molecular cloud. Intense radiation and stellar winds from these newly formed stars create a stunning scene, illuminating the surrounding gas clouds and unveiling the nebula's magnificent beauty. The nebula's role in star formation. The Orion Nebula provides astronomers with an extraordinary opportunity to study the different stages of stellar birth in great detail. Within the cloud, dense regions collapse under the force of gravity. This triggers the formation of protostars, young stars still in the early phases of their development, surrounded by an accretion disk made up of gas and dust. As these protostars accumulate they heat up and eventually ignite nuclear fusion, becoming true stars. At the same time, the intense radiation from newly formed stars pushes against the surrounding gas and dust, shaping the nebula's structure. Probing stellar evolution. The Orion Nebula's proximity and relative youth offer astronomers a unique opportunity to study star formation up close and witness the intricate interplay of various astrophysical processes. Biopsy. RVing different wavelengths of light, scientists are able to gain further insights into the formation of stars and planetary systems within the cloud. Advanced telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array (ALMA), have revolutionized our understanding of the nebula. Using these cutting-edge instruments, astronomers have discovered proplyds, or protoplanetary disks, surrounding young stars within the Orion Nebula. These disks represent the birthplaces of planetar systems, where planets may eventually form. By studying their properties and evolution, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries of how planets like Earth are created. Impact on our understanding of the universe. The Orion Nebula's significance extends beyond its timeless beauty. Through studying this celestial masterpiece, astronomers have gained insights into the fundamental processes that shape the cosmos. By unraveling the mysteries of stellar birth, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe and how life may arise on other planets. Furthermore, the knowledge acquired from studying the Orion Nebula has implications beyond our galaxy. The mysteries held within the Orion Nebula have intrigued astronomers for centuries and continue to drive scientific exploration. As advancements in technology allow for more detailed observations, the depth of knowledge gained from studying this stellar nursery grows ever deeper. One area of particular interest lies in the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Protoplanetary disks within the nebula provide astronomers with valuable insights into the early stages of PL. Net formation. By examining the composition and structure of these disks, scientists can piece together the complex processes that ultimately give rise to habitable worlds. This information has implications for the search for extraterrestrial life, as it offers clues as to the conditions required for the development of life-sustaining planets. Additionally, the Orion Nebula serves as a time capsule, offering a glimpse into the history of our own solar system. As new stars form within the nebula, their chemical compositions reflect the elementary elements available at the time of their birth. By analyzing the abundances of different elements in these young stars, astronomers can gain insights into the composition of the protoplanetary disk from which they originated. This knowledge allows for a better understanding of the conditions present during the formation of our own Sun and the planets that orbit it. Furthermore, the Orion Nebula provides a unique laboratory for studying the effects of stellar feedback on the interstellar medium. The intense radiation from newly formed stars has a profound impact on the surrounding gas and dust, shaping the structure of the nebula. By studying these interactions, scientists can gain a better understanding of how feedback from stars influences the evolution of galaxies and the formation of new generations of stars. The Orion Nebula also plays a significant role in the study of supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars. The dense molecular cloud surrounding the trapezium cluster provides the necessary for future supernovae. By studying the processes leading up to these cataclysmic events within the nebula, scientists can gain insights into the life cycles of massive stars and the mechanisms in supernova explosions. The Orion Nebula has fascinated scientists and stargazers for centuries. Located in the constellation of Orion, approximately 1,344 light-years away from Earth, this celestial wonder provides a glimpse into the mesmerizing process of stellar birth. The earliest recorded description of the Orion Nebula dates back to 1610 when French astronomer Nicolas Claude Fabry de Paris mentioned it. It was later observed independently by renowned astronomes such as Galileo Galilei, Simon Marius, and Johann Baptist Cesade. However, it was not until the early 20th century that scientists fully grasped its significance as a stellar nursery. The cloud, primarily comprised of hydrogen and helium, serves as the birthplace for numerous stars. The nebula itself is made up of ionized gas, particularly hydrogen, which emits vibrant colors due to energy interactions. At the heart of the Orion Nebula lies the trapezium cluster, a tightly packed cluster of hundreds of young stars, some as young as a few 100,000 years old. This cluster represents the next generation of stars emerging from the molecular cloud. The intense radiation and stellar winds emanating from these newly formed stars create a stunning scene, illuminating the surrounding gas clouds and unveiling the nebula's magnificent beauty. The Orion Nebula offers astronomers an exceptional opportunity to study the various stages of stellar birth in great detail. Within the cloud, dense regions collapse under gravity, initiating the formation of protostars. These protostars, still in the early phases of development, are surrounded by an accretion disk consisting of gas and dust. As they gather mass, these protostars heat up and eventually ignite nuclear fusion, transforming into true stars. Simultaneously, the intense radiation emitted by newly formed stars pushes against the surrounding gas and dust, shaping the nebula's intricate structure. The proximity and relative youth of the Orion Nebula provide astronomers with a unique opportunity to study star formation up close. By observing different wavelengths of light, scientists can gain Further insights into the development of stars and planetary systems within the cloud. Advanced telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array (ALMA, H) have revolutionized our understanding of the nebula.